Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Irresistible Blooms bundle. So that's the stamp set as well as the dies. And this is an online exclusive, so you can only purchase these from the online store. We're going to also be using the Countryside corner dies and the Countryside Rose Designer Series paper. I explained in 2 previous videos that this paper was a just demonstrator only paper that we earned in a sales challenge. It is the same paper as the Countryside in Designer Series paper. It's just in the pink. So if you want to recreate this look, go ahead and purchase the Countryside in Designer Series paper in all the blues instead of the pinks that I'm going to be using today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project because we have quite a bit of things that we're going to be doing. So let me move things out of the way. We're going to be using Kendra's card challenge number 15. We're doing sketch number 3 today, okay? So all week I'm going to be doing the Kendra's card challenge. So I'm doing sketch 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 this week. All right. So let's start with some stamping. Let's do some stamping. So I have some Granny Apple Green here. And I'm going to take the leaves, this 3-leaf image. And I'm going to stamp that. Let's do that again because that was right on the edge. I need some room to die cut it out. And then we have some melon mambo, and we're going to stamp this large flower here. Isn't that pretty? My color is kind of faded. Let's see if I can get a better image than that. It's still fading, but I think I like this one better. So you know what I'm going to do so I can have both my images on the same side of the paper. Okay, so now we're going to do some die cutting. So I forgot to get the dies out, so we are going to die cut this leaf. The leaf image here. And then this flower. Aren't these dies beautiful? Let's put this here. Okay. Now let's get our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Baby Boss. And we're going to die cut these 2 images. Okay, now while we have the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine out, I have the Countryside Corners dies, and I'm going to go ahead and die cut it on some basic white as well. Oh man, I really cut that paper right down to size. Maybe I got them mixed up. Maybe this was supposed to be the stamping paper and the other one was the die cut paper. Okay, so we have all that die cut. So let's move everything to the side here, get our die cuts out of here. And I'm going to get some scrap paper because I want to color this flower. I don't want to leave it just melon mambo. So I have the light pretty in pink here, and I'm just gonna color over this quickly. With my Stampin' Blend. There we have that. Okay. That's all I want to do with that. Now, I went ahead of time and die cut some Melon Mambo using the Countryside Corners dies. That's one size larger than this one, and I do not know which one this is. Where are my dies? Oh, so I'm using 1, 2, 3rd, and 4th from the largest. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and glue these together. No, we're not. I need to stamp. I need to stamp my my greeting. Now, what color should I stamp that in? I think I'll do the Melon Mambo, or should I do black? I think I might do black. Let's do some Tuxedo Memento black. Why? I don't know. It just seems like a good idea. And I'm gonna put that on the left-hand side in the middle, just like that. Then we can glue this down. Try to get this centered up here. Okay, we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals, put on the back of our little flower here. Ooh. Let me see. I'm not quite sure I should put that right on the edge like that. One more should do it for me. Okay. Come on, stick down there. Let's take these backings off. Now, I know I didn't go over the buzzworthy business, but it's the same as yesterday and the day before. We have the August paper pumpkin kit. You have until August 10th to subscribe to get that kit. It's called Time for Cake. It's going to be birthday theme, and it comes with an extra stamp set. I'm trying to decide if I want to pop this up or not. If I want to leave it flat. I think leaving it flat would be good. And you will have the add-on dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I have a link in my description box below for the paper pumpkin if you want to sign up to get those. I need this glue still. Okay, so now we have the pieces from the card challenge we need to add to our card base. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm not finished stamping. I need to stamp on the inside of our card here. This is the inside. Is a basic white that's 3.5 by 4 3/4. I want to stamp a partial flower. So let me get my scrap paper back out. I forgot about the inside of the card. We don't want that to be missed. Let's see, I'm gonna put it on this side. Just like that. And we'll color that in just as we did the one on the front. Just like that. Okay, so now we can go ahead and glue this piece to a piece of Pretty in Pink. That is 5 by 3 3/4. There we have it. Now we're cooking with grease. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the inside of our card base, which is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And that's our inside done. Next, we are going to add our designer series paper that the card sketches call for. And we are going to put one across the top like this. Get this glue on here. Try to get right down into those corners. And we're just going to put this right here at the top of the card. Then we're going to put this one down here at the bottom. So I have my monthly host code on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com. So if you're placing an order with me, please use that host code. Unless your order is $150 or more, you don't have to use that code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and that equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I wouldn't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. So let me get this put on here all the way to the edge. And during the month of July, we have our bonus days promotion going on. When you spend $50, you earn a $5 coupon. And that's with every $50 that you spend. So, but you can't do it separate. Like you can't do a $25 order and then another $25 order. You have to put, the $50 have to be on one order, okay? But for every $50 that you spend, so if you spend $150 on one order, you're going to get 3 separate $5 coupons. They're going to send you an email with the coupon codes, and you need to save those because you redeemed them in August for future purchases. And you can redeem them all at one time if you like, or you can separate them out on different purchases. You can even gift them to people. All you got to do is send them your code. Okay, so that is glued down. And now we're going to get some adhesive back sequence trio to add some bling onto our card. Where's my take your pick tool? Okay. So I'm going to add a couple of these on here. So also I have my mystery boxes for sale. Those are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I am asking $30 for each box, and shipping is included. I can only sell and mail the boxes in the United States. So if you're interested, you can give me an email at stampwithshana@gmail.com. You can find that email on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com. I'm trying to see where I can put this last one. Maybe I'll put it right here. Right here. Right here. Maybe right here. Yeah, I think right there. Okay, that is our card done. Isn't that cute? It's nice and simple. So the card sketch had an oval, a large oval there, but I don't have any oval dies, so I use this shape. Like I told you before, card sketches are just a suggestion, an idea. Okay, you guys, that is it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.